approximate, approximately, approximation, at all times, at any time, at that point, at that time, at that, at the same time, at the time, at this time, at this, at what time, at which time, bathroom, bedroom, children, conversation, cooperate, cooperation, defend, defense, dining room, do you know, do you recall, do you remember, for example, had been, have been, identification, is that correct? Is that right? Judgment, little, living room, or not, original, police, police car, police department, police station, policeman, policeman, refresh, sometime, that is correct, that is right, that's correct, that's right, within, witness, as long as, ambulance, as many as much as near as soon as well as, available, boyfriend, citizenship, contract, counselor, court reporter, courtroom, crosswalk, district attorney, driveway, eastbound, easterly, eastern, estimate, exam, examination, examine, example, exhibit, freeway, friendship, girlfriend, green light, headache, headlight, heroin, highway, how fast, how long, how many times, how old, how was, how were, innocence, innocent, instruction, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, left hand side, marijuana, northbound, northerly, northern, ownership, partnership, pedestrian, red light, relationship, reporter, restaurant, right hand side, roadway, southbound, southerly, southern, street light, tail light, traffic light, westerly, westbound, western, yellow light, agree, agreement, alcohol, alcoholic, article, as a matter of fact, at or about, beautiful, burden, confidence, confident, confidential, conscious, control, deliberate, deliberation, development, did you live, do you mean, excuse me, for identification, for instance, I don't believe, I don't do, I don't even, I don't feel, I don't get, I don't go, I don't imagine, I don't mean, I don't say, I don't see, I don't think so, I don't understand, immaterial, in evidence, incompetent, independent, indict, indictment, instrument, introduce, introduction, irrelevant, labor, legality, marked for identification, more or less, more than, mourn, newspaper, on or about, other than, pressure, promise, prosecute, prosecution, prosecutor, telephone, treatment, will you please, would you please, yes or no, are you able, associate, association, black and blue, brother-in-law, burden of proof, daughter-in-law, defendant's exhibit, diagram, do you recognize, employ, employee, employer, employment, enable, father-in-law, for example, I didn't, I didn't believe, I didn't do, I didn't feel, I didn't get, I didn't go, I didn't know, I didn't mean, I didn't say, I didn't see, I didn't understand, in and out, in other words, just a minute, just a moment, justification, justify, language, mother-in-law, participate, participation, plaintiff's exhibit, qualification, qualify, railroad, reasonable doubt, signal, son-in-law, specific, specifically, specification, specificity, specify, subpoena, supplement, understood, voluntary, wait a minute, wait a moment, admissible, allegation, allege, appoint, appointment, asked and answered, assault and battery, autopsy, beneficial, beneficiary, biopsy, Caucasian, confidential informant, contradict, contradiction, contrary, contributory negligence, custody, diagnose, diagnosis, direct your attention, directing your attention, distribute, distribution, evident, evidently, foundation, interrogatory, lieutenant, manipulate, manipulation, mechanic, negotiate, negotiation, no foundation, patient, perpendicular, petition, preponderance, preponderate, rear view mirror, schedule, student, summation, temporary, tremendous, vague and ambiguous, windshield, best of my knowledge, best of your memory, best of your knowledge, delivery room, emergency room, energy, essential, eventual, examining room, industrial, industry, let the record reflect. May I approach? Motion granted. Motion denied. Ologist, ology, operating room, potential, procedural, proceeding, prudent person, recovery room, refresh my recollection, refreshed my recollection, respondent, search warrant, so help you God, Social Security, solemnly swear, something like that, to my knowledge, to my recollection, to your recollection, to your knowledge, under the circumstances, what is your full name? What is your business? What is your address? What is your age? What is your name? What is your position? Best of my knowledge, best of your memory, best of your knowledge, delivery room, emergency room, eventual, examining room, Alameda, Albany, Bakersfield, Berkeley, Beverly Hills, Brentwood, Burlingame, Campbell, Carmel, Castro Valley, Castroville, Clear Lake, Cloverdale, Concord, Crockett, Cupertino, Daly City, Davis, Eureka, Fremont, Fresno, Gilroy, Fairfax, Fairfield, Grass Valley, Half Moon, Hillsboro, Lafayette, Los Altos, Los Angeles, Los Gatos, Marin, Menlo Park, Mountain View, Newport, Oakland, Palm Springs, Palo Alto, Petaluma, Pleasanton, Rohnert Park, Sacramento, Salinas, San Bernardino, San Carlos, San Clemente, San Diego, San Francisco, San Jose, San Mateo, San Rafael, Santa Barbara, Santa Cruz, Santa Rosa, Sausalito, Solano, Stockton, Union City, Walnut Creek, standard of care, prudent person, burden of proof, burden of proving, contributory negligence, proximate cause, probable cause, assault and battery, reasonable doubt, beyond a reasonable doubt, beyond all reasonable doubt, beyond every reasonable doubt, beyond any reasonable doubt, in evidence, into evidence, direct evidence, indirect evidence, circumstantial evidence, preponderance of the evidence, yes, sir, yes, ma'am, no, sir. Is that correct? That is correct. That's correct. Is that right? That is right. That's right. My knowledge, my opinion, my recollection, in my opinion. Your knowledge, your opinion, your recollection, in your opinion. Do you reside? Where do you reside? Where do you live? Date of birth. Are you married? For the record, your name. State your full name, your full name. Assault, clarification. Corroborate, corroboration. Damage, deliberate, deliberation. Prejudice, presume, presumption. Preponderance, prudent, prudence. Ladies and gentlemen, court and jury, members of the jury, jury room, courtroom, superior court, district court, Supreme Court, juvenile court, plaintiff's exhibit, people's exhibit, defendant's exhibit, march for identification, burden, controversy, controversial, heroine, hypothetical, juror, jury, neglect, negligent, negligence, speculate, stipulate, verdict, accident happen, accident happened, accident occur, accident occurred, accident report, accident scene, across the street, at the scene, brake light, brake lights, center lane, center line, driver side, driver's side, driver's license, driving under the influence, driving while intoxicated, east side, eastbound lane, eastbound traffic, front side, glove compartment, green light, head on, incident happen, incident happened, incident occur, incident occurred, incident report, left lane, left side, police officer, left turn, left hand lane, left hand side, left hand turn, miles an hour, miles per hour, motorbike, motor vehicle, north side, northbound lane, northbound traffic, parking lot